Cristela, sure lang, sure. Push lang. Nice service.
Quarterfinals 3, singles C, secondary girls. Match between single C1
Nice. Ganun lang ha. Pasok lang, pasok lang.
Miss Marshall Basilan versus single C2 of De La Salle University, Miss Chelsea S2.
Okay. Ganun lang, ganun lang, ganun lang.
Umpire, Mr. Jomari Kaliwan. Again, match for
Hatid lang ha, hatid.
singles C, secondary girls.
Oh, hatid lang, hatid.
Ika, Miss Basilan versus DLSU, Miss Escuita. Table 1.
Oh, sure service lang, sure service. Sure service lang, sure service. Sure service lang, Cristel. Gab! Ready, Gab, ready. Gab, talon-talon, Gab. Ready tayo, ready. Fight, 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 fight. Oh, ready lang, ready. Sure service lang, Gab. Sure lang. Sure lang, Gab. Cristel, galaw. Oh, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Dalawa na lang, girls. Dalawa na lang. Pasok lang, pasok. Pasok lang. Pasok lang, pasok. Oh, balik dito, bilis.